meet my friend Ben. Okay, nowadays I'm staying with him. Why I am staying with him? Because I wanted to improve my communication skill. So that's why I'm living with him nowadays. What happened when we give the compulsion to our mind? When we give difficulty to our mind, what mind does is mind find easy way, shortcut way to complete the task. So that's why I'm living with him, because I don't have any option to speak Hindi and all, because I must speak in English, then he will be understand. So that's why I'm living with him, so that I can improve myself. Okay, so
You're
meet
doing a
with
really good job. Well done.
so he's from Switzerland,
Yeah.
and we will get some experience from him. He has done how many courses have you completed?
This is the sixth.
This is the sixth Vipassana course he has been done. Now where are you living?
Now I live in Maklodganj, just beside Maklodganj. It's a
Okay.
small village, so I'm very lucky that my home is actually, I'm almost neighbors with the Vipassana center.
Very good.
So I can come just on foot anytime.
Okay, and
Very lucky.
I would like to talk about your previous course, and where have you done those courses?
Previous was in Switzerland, in Thailand, and in Korea. I was serving some and sitting some. And the first course in Thailand 10 years ago, it changed my life completely.
Very
So I finished one 10-day course, and then I was like, but I'm not there yet. I just started. So can I stay 10 more days? They're like, yeah, you can stay 10 more days. And it really changed me. So now I know that it's the most important thing in life.
Very good. And I would like to ask you, how did you get the idea of Vipassana? Who advised you to go there?
When I was living in China, I was going from Tai Chi master to Tai Chi master
Okay.
to learn this Chinese martial art.
Okay.
And someone said, you're looking for something, right? You're looking for some technique, for some school. Why don't you try Vipassana? But it doesn't exist in China. So someone told me about it in China, but then I went all the way to Thailand so that I could do it there.
Okay.
And that's how it started. But it started also by my interest in the Buddha's teachings,
Okay.
and the Chinese teachings are very similar. They're almost the same. So it all went together in one flow.
Very good. So that's good. Now we become a friend, and I would like to ask him, like, when are you coming to my home?
In Pathankot.
In Pathankot.
How far is Pathankot? How many kilometers?
Pathankot.
500?
From here to Pathankot,
300?
there is only 100 kilometer distance from
100?
100 only.
It's so close.
There is only 3 hour drive.
3 hours drive, so that means walking.
Don't worry about
6
drive.
days walk.
Don't worry about drive. You just let me know. I will provide you cab, and
But I should go on foot.
if it will be possible, then I will come to get you.
But one day I will visit you, that's for sure, because I really appreciate our time together here, and you did it. It's really cool, everything we had, and you are always the backup. You were everyone's backup. When someone's missing, you're just there. So thank you. You made a very big difference.
I didn't do the job like you. You have done very awardable job here. I would like to say you. This is very awesome job you have done, and you played very well your duty. And I was also Dhamma server, but I didn't play my duty well.
No, you
as
did
like
great.
you. He's very much eager to learn Hindi. Okay, and he can also speak Hindi. Would you like to listen Hindi? आप हिंदी में बात करोगे सर?
Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sukam Vir Pushtivardhanan
Very good.
Guruvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamrita.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। जैसे मैं इंग्लिश सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, ये हिंदी सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे मिले हैं। हम बड़ा सहयोग बोलेंगे इस चीज़ को कि इनको हिंदी सीखने में इंटरेस्ट है, और आई एम वेरी मच ईगर टू लर्न इंग्लिश। तो दैट्स वाई वी बिकम फ्रेंड्स। तो नाउ वी आर एक्सचेंज आवर contact number so that we can contact each other. So we will improve you can improve your Hindi, and I will improve my English. Okay.
Vipassana is very good for memory, because I noticed that In my usual life, I hear a word once, it's not enough, and then I forget. Then I hear the second time, maybe I remember. The third time, then I know it. But in Vipassana, I just ask once, I hear it, and then I just remember it. So I realize it's making a big difference in my memory as well.
We have a lot of difference between human and वो दिखाना पीछे monkey दिखाओ. हाँ देखा कितना डिफरेंस है. ये क्या करते हैं, इनको क्या होता है एनिमल्स में, व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनिमल और इंसान कि ये जो एनिमल्स होते हैं क्रिएचर ने इनको सिर्फ बड़ी कम कॉन्शियसनेस दी होती है जो कि सिर्फ सर्वाइव के लिए ज़रूरी होती है. तो सिर्फ इंसान एक ऐसा है कि जो सर्वाइवल से ऊपर उठ के, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट
And the
आई एम
difference is that we have such a big brain
Exactly.
that we're 80% just useless overthinking.
Exactly.
So is it better to have a small brain? Maybe.
तो ये था. तो अगर आपको कोई भी गोल अचीव करना तो उसके लिए क्या करना, जो इंसान वो गोल ऑलरेडी अचीव कर चुके हैं उनके साथ रहना. जैसे मैं इनके साथ रह रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. तो अभी आप बोलोगे कि जो लोग ऑलरेडी गोल को अचीव कर चुके हैं वो तो इंटरेस्टेड है नहीं आपको साथ रखने में. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, जिन लोगों ने वो गोल अचीव कर लिया है वो आप क्या कर सकते हो, उनकी बायोपिक पढ़ सकते हो, नहीं तो उनकी बुक्स पढ़ सकते हो, नहीं तो उनका वीडियोस देख के ऑडियो सुन के उनके थॉट प्रोसेस, उनका माइंड कैसे प्रोसेस करता है वो आप जान सकते हो, जैसे कि जिससे आपको अपना गोल अचीव करने में हेल्प मिलेगी. ठीक है. तो आज की ये थी वीडियो. मैं आपको मिलाना चाहता था विद माय फ्रेंड. तो नाम क्या?
My name is Ben.
हाँ.
Yeah, some people call me Ben Baba.
Ben Baba. His
Because
name
they
is Ben.
see this,
and
they
Baba.
think Western Baba.
And
Videshi Baba.
you were talking about your walking skill, and you came from Switzerland to here by walk,
Yeah, from Europe, from Czech Republic, above Switzerland. Yeah.
and it should be your name should be written on the Guinness Book record. I think.
Halfway.
Halfway.
I did 15,000 मैंने 15,000 किलोमीटर किया.
Okay.
World record 30,000 है, 30,000. So I still need to walk back home, and then I'll have the world record. But that's not important at all. If I have a record, will I be happy even one day? I don't think so.
Okay.
I
And
think it'll change
how many
nothing.
kilometer have you completed in a day?
About 40, from 30,
To 40.
from 25 to 45 to 50.
Okay.
50 is like
You were
wow.
alone walking.
Yeah.
You're walking alone. Nobody with you. And where do you stay?
Outside, anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah,
Okay.
on the floor or in my tent or in graveyards or in people's home when they invite me, really anywhere. But every single night, something happened.
Okay.
So God is here.
Very nice. Very nice. Look at the man यार, है ना. आप देखो. हाँ देखो क्या
Haridwar बहुत मजेदार,
बहुत अच्छा प्लेस.
बहुत सीखा था. धर्म की जगह है.
What baggage you were carrying?
What bag?
Baggage.
Baggage. I have 90 kilograms, 90 kilogram. हाथ गाड़ी में पीछे.
अच्छा. Okay. Trolley bag.
Yeah, I have a
Okay,
trolley. I just
okay.
pull.
Okay.
Here, nothing. In my pockets, nothing.
Okay.
Just pulling. It's
Nine.
very convenient.
The
My
90
whole
kg is
life.
enough यार. Enough.
Putting tent.
Yeah, a tent, and I can sleep in the snow. Big sleeping bag.
Okay.
I can live, survive anywhere.
What is your experience?
Very, very deep. बहुत क्या कहते हैं deep?
Deep, गहराई.
गहराई, बहुत गहराई experience था.
But about our India, how you find the Indian people like?
इंडिया ये धर्म के जन्म मातृभूमि है.
Very nice.
तो इंडिया में धर्म सीखने के लिए दुनिया में सबसे अच्छा जगह, इसीलिए मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ.
And what is your
अभी 1.5 साल इंडिया में रहता हूँ.
okay? And what is your upcoming planning?
Live here, meditate,
How long?
कुछ सीखना और कुछ साल के लिए कुछ सीखने के लिए धर्म के बारे में, योग के बारे में, ध्यान के बारे में, और एक दिन भिक्षु करना चाहूँगा. कोई भिक्षु,
How
कोई
sweet.
साधु इस तरह.
There's no need to become bhikshu.
Yeah, just temporary.
We
just
have
try.
we have to live like a bhikshu in our mind.
यही है.
Like mind never we mind never we do the things like we are doing outside outside the area. You can say in outer world we are doing. Mind.
Yeah, it's more
Mind.
important.
It's all
Under
the
zikr.
bhikshu is all about mind. Okay.
Yeah.
We have to develop our mind that level.
Hmm.
Okay. And What about your family?
They're in Switzerland now.
Okay.
They really want to come. We see each other sometimes because I'm walking.
How many persons have you? In
Two
your-
brothers and mom and dad in Switzerland.
Okay.
And we have a yoga center. Our home is a yoga center.
Very good. And you didn't do marry yet?
No, no.
Sure. And you have planning to do marry?
No.
No.
Because marriage is one path,
Okay.
and it's very good, full respect. And another path is being alone, and also full respect. And both paths are beautiful, and everyone is different. Everyone has their own way to find the truth.
Okay.
So you can be married and find the truth. You can be alone and find the truth. But now in my life, I'm just always moving. I don't have a fixed home. I don't have anything fixed. So I can't consider creating a family,
Sure,
because a
very good.
family probably needs something stable. So that's me. That's my life.
Chalo, okay. Thank you, Van. Thank you so much. Really pleasure meeting with you, and I have learned lots of things from you. And you can see my English communication skills also
Perfect.
improved.
Very
And
good.
within 10 days, we didn't spoke much here, but still
Noble speech.
now we speak. But still, I improved myself. I'm feeling very much improved
Good.
with him. And thank you so much.
Cool. All the best, Sandeep. A real joy.
Thank you.